Today we're making homemade pita bread. Wow. Why do they make it seem like it's much easier using 3? Ooh. Let's take some for this one. And then we're gonna do 3. More. I feel like these are pretty decent. I'm just gonna push pull just so they're a nice tight. Okay. I'm just gonna pinch the bottom. I don't fucking know. Boom. And then do it for all the rest of them. This is not a tutorial at all. We're gonna roll it out into a square. Yes? This is, we're making for dinner, bread for dinner. You're gonna wanna cook them 2 minutes on both sides. And look, pita bread.